Hello, welcome back to our lesson on Python. Today in this lesson, we are going to see how to use user inputs and print our results. That is, we get information from the user and then we print that which has been entered. Okay, so to do that, we use input, which helps us to get user input as string, and then we'll see how to convert it. If, for instance, you are dealing with integers, how to convert the input from string to integer or float. And then lastly, we'll use our output prints to print the result. So to do that, we'll take an example. And our example here, we will write a program that will ask the user for their name, age, and height. And then at the end, it prints a message with the input which we gotten. So to do that, we move to Tony. So the first, we said the first is that to ask the user to enter name. So to do that, we'll take the variable name, we'll create a variable name that will input. Since name is a string, we need not convert it to any other letter type. So we'll take name, okay, input will say enter your name, okay, we close the bracket. Next will be age. Ask for the user's age, and since age is an integer, we are going to convert our input by typing int, then input the message we want the user, enter your age. That's the instruction. Okay, we close another bracket. Now we'll have another variable height, which we want it to be a float. Okay, if you don't put the data type, it will convert it to string using input. Okay, so input, say enter your height. Enter your height. Okay, so once we've gotten all of this, we'll now print our results. Maybe we'll do it individually first. That is, we put name, we put the name, close our quotes, we call on the variable name, okay, as it is done in C. Okay, we are going to copy and paste, modify. For the second, we'll put age, variable age. Lastly, we'll have height with this. So that is it. Let's first of all run like this and see our output down here. Okay, so this is our output. It says enter your name. So I'm going to type my name. Age 19, height 1.93 m. Let's see. So we can clearly see here that name Jesper, age 19, and height is this. So we are going to use now another way to output this, as we'll do this using just one output. Okay, we'll use just one output and we'll use the formatted string. Okay, So we'll format all of these in one line using the function formatted string. Okay. Also, for the formatted string, we start with F, then we write our code. We put our code and we'll see welcome followed by the name, which will write the variables in curly braces. Okay, the variable we want welcome, your name, the name appears. After the name we put comma, you age, we put the age. Okay, we want the age to appear with years old and of height, we put the variable height. Okay, then height we put meters. So that's it, and then we close the bracket with our code, just like this. Okay, as simple as we can see here. So let's run and see how it looks like. So down here we have a name, Jasper, age 38, height 1.85 meters. Okay, so you see, look how it looks like. Welcome Jasper, you are 38 years old and of height 1 meter, 1.85 meters. So that is it about input and output. Okay, so we have seen how to use our input function. Now we'll move to assignment. It's good I give you an exercise which we'll do and correct in our next class. So our assignment, it's this is the exercise you are going to do. You write a program that will ask the user to enter two numbers, and then it prints the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. So after doing this exercise, we are going to correct this exercise in our next lesson. Thank you very much for your time, and please, if you are new in this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Comment, so if you are facing some difficulties, you can comment. So I'm going to respond immediately. Thank you very much, and see you in our next class.